almost more than 40 days when a lockdown is there. Some of the big factories are running, packaging especially. But in India, we have 250,000 printers, and about 80 to 90% are in micro and small sectors. They are facing the crunch, and that's why everybody is asking the association what the association is doing. So what should be the role of association? I have a brief video. What should be the association? How the association should work? Because I feel that the association can be successful only if we start working for others. So this is a brief video. You can just see on your screens. It's a simple idea. Sir, I feel it should be the idea. If we start working for others, everybody will be successful. And that should be the aim of the association. While working, we always say, what is my profit? What is my gain? And that is the basic cause of the miseries. That is the basic cause of the reasons. Now, what is happening post-COVID? I have one more video I will show you before discussing the things, because
after COVID-19, what will happen to India? It's unbelievable but true. There might be three types of economic curves in India: V curve, U curve or L curve. Industries like e-commerce industry, entertainment industry, logistics and delivery industry, video conferencing app development industry, non-cyclical industry and pharmaceutical industry will grow. Non-cyclical business deals with the sale of the product like toothpaste, soap, shampoo, grocery, cosmetics and alcohol, as these are always in demand. The pharmaceutical business is said to have an inelastic state of nature as it increases and decreases with demand. Industries which are going to have huge financial crisis will be airlines, travel, cruise, investment banking, economy and share market, tourism, oil and gas, construction, mining, retail, employment service, professional sports business, cinema distribution, that is cineplexes and multiplexes, salon, food, leisure, hospitality. Other than these, businesses like office supplies and stationery, gift store, printing, furniture, motor vehicle dealers, home furnishing, energy companies, private equity, venture capital and product manufacturing are going to face loss in their business. As USA is not happy with China, its relation is going bitter because of China's wrong statement for USA. This can be strongly felt by their President's Donald Trump speech. USA can shift 60% of its business from China to India.
Just an indication. I just wanted to, we have two portions. We have seen that the survey said that after COVID, the printing is likely to suffer. And all the industry which are likely to suffer, printer definitely is likely to suffer. Those are all, printer is bound to give the supplies. Packaging is somewhat different. So in this phase, it becomes the duty of the association to get the printers, to persuade them, to remain calm, to build their energy. At the same level, the printer is supposed to convince its employees, because without employees we can run. Our main concern is what should association do for the printers so that printers can do it for others. Everybody must remain motivated. In this phase, we know what is going to happen. It is estimate. Definitely, I can't say that it is going to happen finally, but it's an estimate. And all the mics are mute only so that only one person can speak. We have so many leaders with us, almost from entire India. Now, I will request all of you to please unmute your camera. Your camera must be unmuted. I may request to take only 1 or 2 minutes because so many people wish to say their words and they have to share their views. And we will, lastly, we may come up with a solution. Inder Malik, I think so.
Well, I think normally they say that you should assess your industry when things are not right. It's only then that you can improve it for in future. So I think this is the right time to really assess our industry through the association, through the federation. There was a small survey that was circulated a few days ago. So I think it depends how you utilize that survey for future improvement of the industry. It will be the right time, once we get out of this problem, it will be the right time to have a white paper on our printing industry and then approach the government for any benefits or any assistance or any development that we are looking for. So I think the federation should be very active on this point in compiling information of all the printers, well, as many as possible in the India, in different segments, in the small scale, in the medium scale, and the high end, and then make a white paper out of it so that we can represent at different levels, at different times, to get benefits from the government.
Thank you, Malik. So I will call Sir S.R. Sharma, our former president.
Well, Kamal, thank you so much. Friends, I think on behalf of All India Federation of Master Printer, I can only say that from a positive note, if you look COVID-19, it has taught us so many things, it has taught us the discipline within ourselves. It has taught us how to look the future. It has taught us all how to look our own environment. So I am only saying that the COVID-19 maybe it is creating a little hiccup in the mind of the people. What is going to be the next? A lot of uncertainty may be mounting on our head. But at the same time, I always believe if there is a dark, there is also going to be a light. So my point is very clear that this COVID-19, according to me, on a long term, it is going to be beneficiary to the Indian printer and Indian printing industry. I think we will go further on that. But what I'm saying that let's have a discussion on, and then I will tell you what I feel and how we should look at from the total perspective point of view, that how a printer to look at, whether he is a small size, medium size, or a large size, to look his own internal assessment of his equipment, assessment of his own strength and weaknesses, and then take a corrective action, which is going to be a productive for him, for the India and for the global market also. With this, I think, Kamal, let's keep the things open for the discussion, and we will come in whenever it is needed.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, Sharma. Steve Malhotra ji, please.
Ji, good morning, all my friends. Nice looking at Sharma ji with all the beard there. So people are just sitting at home and doing their best. Well, friends, I mean, we are passing through very exceptional times. And I mean, as the associations are meant, associations have the onus of addressing and finding solutions to the issues of common concern of the industry for which they represent. So now in our, I think the thing we should look at the moment is that how do we utilize this time of lockdown to cater to the questions which are arising. I feel that at our federation we have a very big fundamental question of creating data banks. Even now when we are approached by some people who want us that on a one spare or on a digital file, if we can give them complete dynamic list of all the printers in our country, or segment wise or industry wise, our data banks are still and I think in this time we should try to utilize work from home, get our staff also to work, create this data banks, create video conferencing facilities, and at least make ourselves as well as our staff upgrade to the level of start working in the new normal. And once we are able to do so, I think we will start addressing other things also. Well, thank you. During the discussion, we'll take up all the subject. Thank you, Kamal.
Thanks, Stevie. Just we wish the blessings of our former presidents. I wish now we have Suren Dhote with us.
Yeah, very good morning to everybody. We are looking at a point that the moment we are discussing and everything comes out of that, then only we can talk on the proper subject of the thing. So we are waiting for every moment of the discussion first, because there are a lot of problems, and the regional problems create a lot of problems in the association. So I'm waiting, and thank you very much. I'm waiting for the total discussion first, and then I can comment on the whole thing. Kamalji, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now we are open for the discussion. Government has imposed some conditions for running the factories. These conditions, as far as our calculations are, they will continue. It will not last with us COVID. Even after COVID, we will have to follow this. So our small printers, as I tell in the beginning also, we have more than 90% or less than 80 to 90%, which are very small or micro printers. So they will not be able to do it. And what is the solution left with them? Those are the things we have to discuss today. So we can start with Nitin. Nitin Shah is the president of Bombay Master Printer Association. So Nitin bhai, we start with you. Please use only 2 minutes so that we can go to others. Yeah. So anybody else want to speak can raise their hand. We can go to him directly. We are now on the discussions. Yes.
Good morning, Kamalji, and welcome to everyone. And thanks everyone to be a part of this. As Sharmaji said, I will not just go in the elaboration because I have only 2 minutes. As Sharmaji said, there is a lot of opportunities going to be there for print industry post-COVID, but those may be different sectors also. Now, currently with all those financial crunches, losing of business, printer will be definitely in a financial pressure. So according to me, we all should unite. Those who have the capacities should share their capacity with their friends. I'm talking about mid and small size printers, because large printers have their own way of business. So those who are into a mid and small business, they should help each other. In currently situation also, those who are operating and those small printers who have the business but they are unable to operate, they can share their business with the fellow printers and take it forward. So this is what I feel right now, but later on we can discuss a lot of things I have to discuss with you. Thank you, Kamalji.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. Anybody else want to say anything? So we have with us some other Mr. Manoj Agnihotri from Bhopal.
Actually, जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना कि एसोसिएशन के थ्रू क्या कर सकते हैं हम? It's very difficult. Every association, everybody have different problems.
Yes, what are the problems you are feeling there?
So just a while ago, you started with the very small printer. We have already lot of small printers. They are facing lot of problems. No money for salary, not for payment, not material. What they will do? We are all looking to our AIFMP for guidelines. What do you suggest? We will waiting for your suggestions and guidelines.
Sir, actually, that's why we called it. We have with us the President Boba, Venkatesh Babu. He has sent some questions also. So, yeah. Like Venkatesh Babu, he is the President Boba. Sir, please.
Sir, good morning, everybody. Sir, this virus will be with us, sir, for another 6 months until we find a medicine or vaccine, whatever it is. We should be with the virus. As an association, we are trying to motivate all the printers. Think of the positive side. Think of the positive side. We have a lot of problems. We have a lot of migrant workers here. They already left Bangalore. Even if we start coming back, is a problem for them. Then still, I think the lockdown will be extended. Bangalore city being a red zone, it may be extended to 15th of May. And only few printers who are doing well are pharma industry. They are given permission. They are doing extremely well. and some packaging industries where food processing is involved. They are also doing very well, sir, in Bangalore. Only few presses, not all the presses, who are doing pharma and food packaging. Government has given a special police permission has been given, and they are doing very well. But for them also problem getting the logistics after printing delivery, they are not able to deliver. Transport is not, logistics is not available. Board is not available. ITC Coimbatore, they are completely closed. Lot of duplex board orders from ITC is still pending here. And still now MSME, we are just talking, there's nothing, stimulus package has not come. Only we see in paper, all recommendations have gone. No package for MSME industry has come, sir. That we should, all over this MSME package should be strongly taken. Then one more question as they have raised.
Yeah.
If you can get postal department to work, lot of our magazine works so that we can print and post that. Lot of people who are doing magazines or monthly periodicals, it will help them, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have with us for Kanpur Press Owner Association, Mr. Avdesh Awasthi. Avdesh, what do you want to say?
Good morning, everybody. हमारी एसोसिएशन में जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं उसके बारे में हम आपके सामने जिक्र कर रहे हैं। एक तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर ये है कि लॉकडाउन टाइम में जो सैलरी के लिए फोर्समेंट किया जा रहा है कि बगैर काम के आपको सैलरी देनी पड़ेगी, वो एक समस्या है। बहुत बड़ी समस्या इस तरीके से है कि भाई लोगों ने 8 दिन का मार्च का पेमेंट कर दिया, अब अप्रैल जून कब तक ये चलेगा ये किसी को मालूम नहीं। तो ये एक बड़ी समस्या है जिसका समाधान एसोसिएशन के थ्रू या एफएमपी के थ्रू हम चाहते हैं। दूसरा, फिक्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस। ऐसे टाइम में जो पावर कारपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया है वो पूरी तरीके से चार्जेस लेना चाहता है जो फिक्स्ड है। जैसे किसी का 200 किलोवाट है तो उससे फिक्स चार्ज, तो जितना ऐसे टाइम में यूज करे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम करे, उसी के ही चार्जेस लिए जाएंगे। सेकेंडली, जो लोगों को यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सबसे बड़ी, वो ये आ रही है इस समय कैश क्रंच और कैपिटल की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। तो उसमें हमारा कहना ये है कि बैंक लिमिट जो लोगों को दे रखी है बैंक्स ने, और मॉर्गेज कर रखा है, उनकी एसेट वगैरह मॉर्गेज कर रखी है। किसी ने 50 लाख की लिमिट दी है लेकिन उसकी मॉर्गेज करा हुआ है 2 करोड़ रुपए का, 4 करोड़ का है। ऐसे टाइम में गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्डर कराया जाए कि उनको मैक्सिमम लिमिट इनहांस करी जाए, उनकी लिमिट बढ़ाई जाए ताकि वो इन सब चीजों को फेस करें। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इस समय आ रही है लॉजिस्टिक की। लॉजिस्टिक ओपन करना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि पैकेजिंग से, ज्यादातर कानपुर में लोग पैकेजिंग से रिलेटेड काम कर रहे हैं और उनको सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है जिनका ट्रकलोड कंजम्पशन है, ट्रकलोड मटेरियल जा रहा है, उनके पास तो जा रहा है लेकिन जो पेटी है, जिनके छोटे छोटे वो है ऑर्डर्स हैं, वो पूरे नहीं हो पा रहे हैं। तो ये प्रॉब्लम हम फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में देख रहे हैं, फिर बाकी सब लोगों का जब डिस्कशन होगा तो कुछ चीज ध्यान में आती है तो फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We can have 3 parts of it. One part, as we are discussing, this part is there, how to remain, that money part which we are discussing now. Second part is the question of survival. As I shown you the video, it is clearly said the printing is going to suffer. Not only the printing, many industry for which printer is the intermediary supplier. Packaging will grow, packaging, there may not be any problem with the packaging. What those printer may do, that is the second point. And I feel that is the major point because it's a question of survival. Payment of 1 month or 2 months is a different thing. Survival of life is concerned. And I can frankly tell more than 80% printer are the target now in that phase. So how to overcome the financial problem is one part, and how to educate the printers. So there was a silver lining also. Another video I shown, that's the third part. That video says that as you are getting the news also, most of the companies, many companies, many countries are sending from China to other countries. There is silver lining. Some may come to India, but are we prepared for that? Can we do that job if it comes to India? So why not we educate our small printer to be prepared for that? For that, they have to form the groups. 1% can't do it. That's why these are the three things we are going to discuss today. We'll take one by one. I think if we started with the finance part, so anybody wants to say anything about payment, because I've got many questions on that with me. Start with the first topic, the financial one, which already we have started. Our teacher. Anybody wants to say anything about that? Yes, sir. Biju sir, please.
Good morning, sir, and thank you for taking this initiative for conducting this meeting. I think All India Federation should have done it a little bit earlier. We have started it, and as far as the payment of salaries for the employees are concerned, as you know, Kerala is a state which always had this trade union issues, and we are a little apprehensive about how the employees will react when we do the payment. So what we have decided, not as an association, but as friends of printers, we have decided to pay sustenance amount as salary this month, in the month of April, so that they can pay their rent and buy their groceries and essentials. So the payment of sustenance amount for the month of April will be given to them, and we will be before paying that, we will have a discussion with the employees about we will frankly tell them our problems right now, what we are facing. We don't have any business, we don't have any rolling of cash, so whatever we have, we are taking it out of our bank loans, and so we will first educate them and then convey them. Then after, as you said, there is a case pending, at least 4 cases pending in the Supreme Court. By mid of May, I think we may get a decision about those cases. And once the Supreme Court pronounces the decision, it will be binding to all of the industries in India. So we will have to follow that. And if the Supreme Court says that we have to pay the full salaries of the month of April, then we will have to find some funding and pay the amount then and there. So right now, by 1st of May, we are planning to pay this sustenance amount of maybe from 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per employee. That's what we have thought of, and that's the thing I have before. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nitin bhai.
Yeah, see, as far as the payments are concerned, first of all, we can give them on account payment, because so far judgment has not come whether it is compulsory or not, because already there is a petition going on. We cannot say that we cannot pay, because ultimately their livelihoods are also, they need the money for that. Now here what we can do, we can categorize our workers. Those who are below 15 or up to 15,000, we can pay them full salaries. Those who are between 15 and 50,000, we can give them say 50% or 60%. And those who are above 50,000, 1 lakh, we can give up to 40%. Because complete money for the higher bracket may not require as on today for the essential things. So this way we can definitely put the brackets, and we can give payment everybody on account. Whatever judgment comes later on, we can take the decisions. Either we can adjust from their paid holidays or from bonus or some other ways. Now, second thing, how to make the finances. I think so now a lot of banks have come up with a different scheme during the COVID period. And especially your own bankers definitely is ready to support you. You should discuss with them with the lower rate of interest, or they will not take interest up to certain period. Then later on you can pay cumulative interest also. So those type of different schemes are available with the banks. I think so you should discuss with your banks for the payment. Third thing, now I heard Mr. Avdesh Awasthi was saying about the electricity charges, fixed charges are there. Now, as per my knowledge, in Union Territory and in our Maharashtra Electrical Board, they have come up with a scheme. Those who are totally closed, those who are not using any of the power, that minimum commitment charges they are going to waive, or they already waived. Second thing, they have given some concessional rate on the units also. So I feel definitely we should look into all these things, start discussing with the local industrial association. I'm not talking about the print association. Now, like our Silvassa, we have Silvassa Association, which are part of all the all the companies. Like Navi Mumbai TTC also we have association. Those associations are very much active on all this. So definitely all the local, in the entire country, there are so many such associations who are active. So I think so we should utilize those associations. Now logistics, what Mr. Awasthi was saying, logistics are very well available, full load and part load also. Many transporters have started taking the part loads. Many mills have started operating. Whatever ready stock first, they have dispatching. Especially virgin mills already started. Recycle now currently, grey bag people have started because there is a problem with them for the raw material of white bag. So slowly things are becoming easy. Inks available, plates available, blankets available, chemicals are available. Everything is available. Just little bit formality you have to do it. You have to just send them a letter that we need so and so. We are a part of essential service, so please supply us. And you can attach one of your customers' purchase order and give them a permission letter. Definitely they can show that letter and they can transfer their goods. This is what already happening. So this is what I want to say right now. Thank you.
Thanks, Chintan. Now we have a surprise item with us because boosting of morale for the print, this association leader is also required. It's not that we should boost the morale of our employees and other people. Boosting the morale, your morale is necessary. That's why I am inviting. So it is Tushar. Tushar will be boosting your morale. Yeah, Tushar, please.
Hello, respected audience out there. Thank you, Kamalji, for having me on your session. And I am a very small person in order to boost somebody's morale. I'm just an artist. I'm just an entertainer. But thank you so much for giving me these words. I'm basically an illusionist. I represent Delhi School of Magic, and I do a lot of mind reading shows. By profession, I am an illusionist as well as a mentalist. I can see a lot of you showing me your thumbs ups. Thank you. I'd like to do a demonstration through which I will try to dig into someone's past right now. What I'll do is I'm going to punch in my name in the chat box, and I'll also request all of you to get ready with your names in the chat box. But don't punch them right now. I'm going to just punch in my name, and the moment you see my name, you can start punching in your names. Okay, lovely. I see Shashi Sharma, Swani Gupta, Biju Jose, Avadesh Avasti, Tarun Anuja. Thank you so much. If now you can, okay, let me just go with the very first name, Shashi Kumar Sharma. Kamalji, if you can unmute Shashi ji, or Shashi ji can unmute himself. Hi Shashi, how are you?
Very good. Tushar, very good. Wonderfully, very well. Excited.
Thank you so much, Shashi ji. And before we begin this, I just want to ask you a little question here. That is there any way that we have spoken before this session, and did I ever inform you to answer me in any of my questions in any particular manner? Have we spoken before?
No. With you, no.
With me, no. And there's nothing that we have arranged or pre-arranged. Since we have not spoken, we cannot do that.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Mr. Shashi, the only thing that I know is that you're connected to OPA or Kamalji or this association. That's all. But there's no way that I can ever know about your personal life, right?
Yeah.
I want you to currently imagine an instance in your life, a memory in your life, which gives you immense happiness, immense positivity, that brings out a lot of affirmation for you, positive affirmation for you. It can be an achievement. It can be a day when someone was born in your family. It can be related to your school life, your college life, your professional, your personal life. It's totally up to you. I just want you to think of one little memory or one day that has brought you a lot of happiness or a little happiness. Are you thinking of one?
Yeah, well, I think there are so many.
Yeah, but don't share them with me. So you had a short list out of so many, just shortlist one.
Oh, yeah, in my mind. Am I right?
Right now. right now in your mind? Don't say out loud. Okay, you already have one. If I may ask you, if you don't mind sharing this with everybody, how old this memory is? If you were to take a guess, if you're not
30,
able to,
roughly 37 years old.
roughly 37 years old. My God. My God. That's crazy. So there's no way in the world I can ever know what has happened in your life 37 years ago. Right?
Yeah.
Do you remember the date or the day on which it happened 37 years ago?
Well, it was 29th of June.
Oh, but you were not supposed to tell that to me, but that's okay. So whatever I am asking, but that's okay. Whatever I'm asking to you, you just have to acknowledge it with a yes or a no. So since you've already declared the date, I may now get into a little more precision. Do you have any idea or what time of the day did this memory happen? Don't tell me the time because you've already declared the date now. I don't want you. I also can calculate the year because I know it's 37 years ago. I have the date. Let me just dig into a little more deeper section. That is, what time of the day? Do you have an idea of it? A fair
Yeah,
idea?
Yeah,
You have
yeah,
a fair
I-
idea. Shashi ji, if you were to give this particular instance that has happened in your life a particular time, like I want you to imagine right now a time with some hour in the watch and some minutes. Just lock that in your mind. Don't say it out loud. Audience listening to me, in my watch it says 11:47, close to 11:47 a.m. it is in my watch, close to 11:47. I hope that that's how it is on your laptop screens, on your phones, on your wristwatches. Just show me a thumbs up if that's the case on your watches. I can see a lot of you in the audience. Just show me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. Because that's the way I know that you all are in sync with what I'm saying. So, Shashi ji, we have digged in a little more deeper. You've already declared 29th of June, 37 years ago. So I want to now go and hack the time of this memory, exact time on which it happened. So you're already thinking of a particular time of 29th of June. I don't know whether it's morning, day, evening, or night, but whatever you're thinking, just keep that in your mind. Some hours and some minutes. Don't make it an absolute round of time. So I want you to think of some hours, some minutes, and that memory happening right now in your mind. Are you imagining it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Then I'm saying the industry knows me by that.
Perfect. So let me also know you by Sharma ji's name in that case. So Mr. Sharma ji, this is what on. I wonder if you can properly see that it's close to 10 minutes to 12 right now. So
Yeah.
11:58 or 11:49, 11:50 in my watch right now. I hope you can see this clearly.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is to make it absolutely fair, I'm going to remove my watch now from the video frame that you're watching, so that it becomes absolutely fair and there's no way that I can cheat. The watch is up and running right now. I'm going to take out the needle and turn it to a specific new location now. I'm going to turn it to a specific new location now. And okay, are you thinking of your time in your mind? Are you thinking of it right now? You have to be really honest. When I tell you to share all of us, I'm going to, okay. I think I have something on the watch. Let me just set this again. Okay, yeah. I'm not going to put the needle back because if I put it, the time starts changing. And I don't want that. Because you're already thinking of one, I don't want it to go even few seconds ahead of it. So it's already set exactly the way I want. For the very first time, Shashi ji, there's no way in the world that I can know what you're thinking right now. That too, a memory from 37 years down the line. What time of the day? For the very first time, I'm to prove myself, I will have to turn the watch and show it to you. But before I do that, I will give you time that you are thinking right now. Can you announce the time? Are you able to listen to me now? Are you able to listen to me now, Sharma ji?
Yeah.
So can you, for the very first time, before I turn my watch, because I cannot change it, if I try to change it, this will, you will all know. If I try to touch the needle again, but if I try to change it, you will all know. So I'll request you, really sorry for that technical glitch. I hope now you can listen to me.
Yeah.
Perfect. So I'm not going to take any more time. Sharma ji, I just want you to loudly and clearly, in your nicest and clearest voice, can you please tell all of us what time of the day are you thinking right now in your mind? And I will not touch my watch because I've set it to a specific time. If I try to do it, you all will know that I've done it. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to turn it to the camera so that all of you can see what I've said. But before that, can you now announce what time of the day are you thinking, sir?
You want me to announce the time?
Please go ahead, if you don't mind.
12:13. That means 12 o'clock and 13 afternoon.
12:13. 12 o'clock, 13 afternoon. And there's no way in the world I can ever know what you're thinking.
12.
Ladies and
I
gentlemen,
mean 12 o'clock and
to your-
13 minutes.
To your surprise, if you can see on the screen, this is exactly on 12:13, 2 minutes before 12:15. 12:13 it says.
Yeah, correct.
So this is how it is.
Tushar, will you tell what was the 12:13? What was the surprise? You know that. Can you tell me? In my life.
I would rather request you to I rather request you to share that because I told you that I'm going to take out some piece of information from your past, not the complete, but what I'm getting sitting here is that this is related to is this related to, I can be wrong here, is this related to somebody's birth?
That's
because
that's
this is what I was getting. This is what I was
No,
getting in my head.
No, I think it is related to somebody's birth. Yeah. My
Taking
elder
pins and
daughter
whatnot.
born on that day. My elder daughter born that day.
Lovely. Pleasure to know that. Pleasure to know that, sir.
Thank you very much, Tushar.
Thank you, Kamalji.
Thank you again when required. Thank you very much for his performance. And for the information, I may tell you, Tushar has charged nothing for this performance. I'm thankful to him. So now we are again on the discussion. In the meantime, we have with us Mr. Ravindra Joshi.
As a president of the Pune Press Association, I thank you very much, and I really welcome all the participants. Well, in Pune, as you know, the situation is going rather day by day. It is worsening the situation, and we are really, now doubtful when we can start our unit. So the utmost role of the president of an association, printing association, to boost the morale of my printer brothers, who are really in very bad shape at this moment, and they don't know the future when they're going to start. So as an association, we are trying to chat with each other, find out what they are doing, what will be the next problems, what they're going to face, how they're going to solve it. This is what the job of our association, and basically the problem of now working capital. When I want to start my press, even I'm a printer, so when I want to start my press, my first and foremost question is, how am I going to start and where from money I'm going to get? Few printers have got sufficient liquidity with them, and many printers, I think majority printers don't have. So that is the main issue we are going to face about it. So having discussion with each other and trying to find out who is in a very bad shape and how we all are going to support him would help us to, as a community, as a printers community, to go ahead with this situation. That's what I feel.
Thanks, Ravi. Thank you very much. And Mrs. Sharma, Sashiji, want to say, please, sir?
Well, I think what Ravi talked about, what Nitin talked about, it makes a lot of sense. As on today, the printers conditions across the country. But let me tell you, I don't know. I always look from a positive angle. You see, of course, there are 7 ends which are very important in today's scenario. The moral, the manpower of the respective printers, machine, material, money, means to manage. These are all 7. These are all teething problems. What I look at, can we not look at from a different perspective? There are teething problems which are of short-term nature, and there is an opportunity which is on a long-term angle. I do agree that being an association president and being a very important colleague in the printing industry, I think we need to create a high morale among the printers as on today, because everybody is undergoing the 3C principle: crisis, chaos, and confusion. I think we need to build the high morale in the mind of the people that days comes like this and it will go away also. Nitin has very beautifully summarized that how can you manage to pay your own people.
So Nitin bhai told that what should be the percentage, what should be the payment scale, what should be paid. From my association point of view, what we decided is that it is everybody's call. First of all, we have to understand that we never allow workers to share our profits directly. So I requested my printers that this is a very hard time, we are suffering losses. So let us not make them partner into losses only. They are our family members. We have to treat them, we have to stand behind very strongly with them. We should not just leave them like that. And this is the right time for you to get the confidence of your workers. If you stand at the situation, even though you are suffering and you hail them out, they are going to work more efficiently and more like a family and with bonding. So it is our duty at this moment. Okay, we will suffer, but for 3 months at least minimum, we have to support them best possible way. This is the only way for our success. And as Sharmaji rightly said, this is a bright future. To go for a future and to have that future, we need to have our laborers and staff with us. And for that, this is the right time to win their confidence 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohit. And so we have a thought now with us that we should pay to the somewhat amount, whatever we can discuss about the employees and whatever we think we can satisfy both. We also and he also, we should pay some amount so that FAR is alleviated unless government or Supreme Court decides something. Anybody else want to say something on this subject? Vipul Pandya, Vipulji, please.
नमस्कार कमल जी। कमल जी, इधर कई दिनों से हालांकि ये प्रॉब्लम तो है, मगर हम लोग जितना भी डिस्कशन अभी तक किए, इसमें हम बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म सोच रहे हैं, है ना। ये इंडस्ट्री आप समझिए पिछले 1.5 साल से कठिन स्थिति से गुजर रही है और अगला कम से कम 1 साल, है ना, 31 मार्च 2021 तक हमारी यथास्थिति रहने वाली है। इससे कोई बहुत फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है। तो हमको जो भी व्यू लेना चाहिए, पहला तो वो लॉन्ग टर्म लेना चाहिए। दूसरा, सर्वाइवल की बात ठीक है, वर्कर्स के सर्वाइवल के लिए हम भी एग्री करते हैं, मगर बहुत सारे एसोसिएशंस ने, इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशंस ने परसेंटेज वाइज फिक्स कर दिया है। लाइक इन बनारस, आई हैड सीन वन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन जिसने कि 25% फिक्स कर दिया कि हम जो भी है सर्वाइवल मनी 25% देंगे। बहुत सारी जगह डिपेंड करता है कि वो आपका कैसा कर्मचारी है, आपके पास नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स कैसे हैं, आपके पास कितना काम था पहले, आपने क्या कमाया है, क्या नहीं कमाया है, ये बहुत सारी चीजें। मगर सर इसके अलावा भी लाइक हमारा फेडरेशन बहुत छोटा सा फेडरेशन है। अगर हम ऑल इंडिया सिनेरियो देखें, हम फियो में गए थे, है ना, हमने ईपीसीजी के लिए काफी प्रयास किया कि हम हिंदुस्तान के प्रिंटर्स को कुछ रिलीफ मिल जाए किसी तरह से। कम से कम 3 बार 4 बार दिल्ली विजिट के बाद अभी तक, आज की तारीख तक हमारे लिए कोई सुनवाई किसी तरह की नहीं हुई। इवन दिल्ली लेवल पर कोई फॉलो अप भी नहीं हुआ। हम 3-4 लोग मिलकर के जाते रहे और जी वापस आ गए।
विक्रम बिंदल, who is the president of the Himachal Printer Association. So be brief, sir, because so many people want to talk, and we must not repeat. One thought has come to us that we should pay our staff with whatever, as people said, maybe 25%, maybe 10%, maybe 50%, whatever the understanding between employees and us. Mr. Nirmal Goyal wanted to say something. Mr. Nirmal Goyal, Jaipur, he is the General Secretary of Jaipur Printer Association.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
I am honorary secretary of the Rajasthan Offset Printers Association. These problems were being discussed over a long time with our committee members, and the general members were continuously asking and looking towards us that what advisory we issue. Yesterday we have issued, after discussion, we have issued advisory to distribute 50% of the salary to workers till lockdown. And keeping this, we have to take this. We have decided to distribute to 50%. Anyhow, we have to make arrangement for the fund, whether we have or not, but we have to do for the sake of our workers. And we have not told workers, we are not telling workers that these matter is under Supreme Court, and we are not talking of anything about law or something like that. We are telling that we are also in crisis and nothing is being protected, nothing is, we are getting no money from our clients, no recovery, and it is a very difficult time. So please cooperate, and 50% payment will be made to them. This strategy was decided in between us. So what do you think? Whether ROPA had done good or not, I don't know. But this decision has been taken and conveyed to our.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And we have Mr. K. Sethi. He is from Saharanpur. Sethi, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल
Yeah.
सर मैं यहाँ पे जितनी भी एसोसिएशन है सबका यही लग रहा है कि 50% से ही करना पड़ेगा. आपस में एसोसिएशन के थ्रू बात हो रही है, वर्कर्स से तो अभी किसी से भी नहीं, क्योंकि सर लॉकडाउन है इसलिए वर्कर्स तो है ही नहीं. तो इसलिए वही है कि आपस में एसोसिएशन में यही बात चल रही है कि 50% ऑल एसोसिएशन मेंबर्स डिसाइड कि 50% करेंगे, बाकी बाद में देखेंगे कि क्या करना चाहिए.
So any other view on this subject? We are on the, we talk only this subject, then we come to the next subject. Our subject is whether how much we should pay. Ravi want to say something. Ravi.
हाँ सर, मुझे ये कहना है with respect to all president of all association, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि how much to pay is not a decision to be taken by the association. Please,
Yeah, right.
It cannot be a blanket decision because there are n number of printers of different capacity and different what you can say workforce also. So association cannot give a blanket decision that you pay 50%, you pay 25%. This won't help, and this will not work also. We have to, every individual as his family member has to decide what he wants to do with his own printing press. Association don't have any role to play in this. That is what my personal opinion as a president of Pune Association. And I have declared it that every Pune printer is very open to take a call on this. It is his personal, very economical personal decision, and association don't want to impose anything on this. I request you all association also to think in this fashion. Let every individual printer should decide how he is going to handle his workforce. Thank you.
Ravi bhai, actually, whatever you say, that was the basically that was the vision expressed by your previous speaker also. Even the Nitin said the same thing. Even our association, we had a general meeting yesterday on webinar, and it decided. It is definite that we are to pay our staff. What we decided, I tell you because you were late, we decided that we will say whatever the government say, we will pay. If the government say you should pay 100%, we will pay. But since we don't have the money, we can pay in parts. We start giving them 1,000 or 2,000, whatever wherever we can summarize. Ready to pay, but let it be in parts. So that was the vision expressed by all. Anybody else on this subject? Only on this, on payment subject. Anybody else? Let this subject be over, then we will call on electricity subject. There was one problem was discussed that minimum charges are to be paid, but we will discuss it later. Regarding salaries, any other one? Subhaji, welcome Subhaji.
I want to say something about the salary. First of all, you are doing very well. This COVID-19, you are doing very well along with Mr. Parag. Here I want to say something about in my Delhi. You are talking about salary. I want to say something different. Time needs depend on printing press to press. Accommodate yourself. Really, we are talking about 25%, 40%, 50% or 60%. Here my suggestion is this. You know, we have not too, mostly when you say our industry is small and a tiny association, medium small, must we have 20 worker, 30 worker, 40 worker. You know, it is the very difficult time, no doubt. You know, we can discuss with our staff mutually. If we agree 40%, 30%, 50%, maybe 70%, maybe 80%. Transportation problem, some people are saying the money problem, working capital. You know, we are from business community. We are in service industry. We have to, for the time being, if your machine break down, you don't get the order from other your companies or bank or tender, the people are doing. So we have to manage ourselves in this situation. We have to maintain ourselves. We are doing business. हमको अपने आप को manage करना पड़ेगा. The money will come. We are, after all, we are running an industry. We can manage ourselves. This is the time. Otherwise, first of all, what is going to problem in after COVID-19? When when you say the printers are very small printers, they don't have any mechanical staff permanent. They hire engineer, electrical engineer. My suggestion is this, it is a very important suggestion. You will not get worker. Our industries and worker are very technical specification work. We have already shortage of worker. We don't discuss about wages. It is mutual understanding what you settle between your staff and members. Because in governing council meeting, we have a lot of technical problem. Machines are coming, but we don't have technical staff. You are a technocrat. Kamalji, you know very well. It is your subject. My point is this: our staff is, when we buy a machine of 6 crore, 5 crore, we not get a technical staff, trained operator. The result, operators and staff give you result. Machine is, no doubt machine is giving good production, but it depends on the operator also. My suggestion is this: forget about, discuss about it. Maybe I was watching TV on yesterday, Singapore, some after in maybe in May month it will all right. My point is, I want to say this: our technicians are very limited. We forget about for this time. We should manage ourselves. When we are running a printing press, we can do each and everything. We can manage money, we can borrow money, neither from bank, either from. But when you start the printing press after COVID, when you say it is a small and a tiny, printers are there. They don't have engineer, they don't have a mechanical engineer. My suggestion is, when you start, this our BMP president was telling them after sanitize everything. But my suggestion is this in this matter: when you switch on want to start the printing press, you must have, along with your operators, one mechanical engineer, one electrical engineer should be there. Otherwise, machine can be, some give you problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this. The same
time. अच्छे बुरे दिन आए हैं तो अच्छे दिन भी आएंगे.
We have for the last comment on this subject. We will come to other subject. Subject on payment of wages. We are on the one subject, that is payment of the wages to the employees. Mr. Vikram Bindal is there. Now he is come. He is the president of Himachal Printer Association. Bindal sir, please.
सर सभी को नमस्कार. सॉरी, उस टाइम पे एक्चुअल में मैं मेडिकल सर्विसेज पे भी हूँ आज बॉर्डर की, हिमाचल बॉर्डर की, इसलिए कॉल आ गया था वहां से. मेरा एक कहना है कि हिमाचल के अंदर अभी जो पोस्ट लॉकडाउन की पोजीशन है वो आज की डेट में चल रही है. एसेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड फार्मा, और उससे रिलेटेड है हमारा प्रिंटिंग पैकेजिंग यूनिट्स. तो जो अभी हम लेबर की वेजेस के लिए यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, वो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्डर है, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द 40% with 40% labor. Now the rest 60% labor is on leave. Or what about 30% labor is on leave? We are paying 40% labor for full salary. What about the 30% labor or 60% labor? It is very difficult to manage. Which labor is working with us? They said if you give them the salary, then we will then give us to double. It is a practical problem. So what will be the solution for that? मेरा कहना ये है कि उसके लिए हमें कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन निकालना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज प्रॉब्लम होगी. जिस दिन भी लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, गवर्नमेंट 100% लेबर के साथ आपको अलाउ करेगी, टेक्निकली नहीं करेगी. इस विषय के ऊपर सोचना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि मेरे ज्यादातर मेंबर इस प्रॉब्लम से अभी फेस कर रहे हैं. इसके लिए भी मैं एसोसिएशन से चाहूंगा कि कुछ हमें मार्गदर्शन करें. मैंने तो अभी सभी को ये बोला है कि जो लोन वर्कर है, जो आपके पास नहीं आ रहे हैं, उनको 50% सैलरी दें.
Dr. Bindal, sorry to interrupt. As you are telling the one thing, I think one more thing which you told in one of the webinars, that the worker didn't wanted to work and you have to approach the senior superintendent of police to call them for the work. Can you tell that story? This is a different story also. the
That
human.
is also,
Yeah, please.
that is also हिमाचल के अंदर क्या हुआ था कि इन्होंने एक सर्विस शुरू करी थी, तो बहुत सी हमारी पैसेज में और फार्मा इंडस्ट्री के अंदर प्रॉब्लम ये आई कि वर्कर्स ने ये बोला कि भी हमें गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से सैलरी अनाउंस की गई है बिना काम के, तो हम काम क्यों करें, या तो हमें डबल सैलरी दो, नहीं तो हम काम नहीं करेंगे। तो उस समय में हमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट के पास जाना पड़ा, जी हमारी एसेंशियल सर्विसेज है, ये एसेंशियल सर्विसेज के अंदर आपने वर्कर्स को आने के लिए कहा है। तो अब डीसी साहब ने एक ऑर्डर निकाले भी जो एसेंशियल सर्विसेज की फैक्ट्रीज हैं उसके अंदर जो वर्कर यहाँ पे रह रहा है उसका आना जरूरी है, अदरवाइज मैनेजमेंट कोई भी डिसीजन लेने के लिए स्वतंत्र है। इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम आई तो उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ फैक्ट्रियां शुरू हुई। नाउ वी आर फेसिंग अनदर प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने अभी बताई।
Thanks, Binder sir. Our subject, our primary subject was that I think if anybody wants to say something else, we have came to one vision that we should satisfy our worker and pay whatever minimum or maximum we can. Person to person, press to press, it varies. We cannot fix, as Ravi Bala absolutely right. He said it is not possible to fix. Definitely, where we can satisfy all the workers, the prime thing is please making sure your worker may not go away. Otherwise, it will. Yeah, Biju sir, I want to say something. Biju sir, please.
Yeah, sir, one more suggestion. We have decided on paying whatever percentage. Let that be your choice, or your whatever you talk between your employees and you. That's your choice. But we already, as an association, as KMPA, we have already approached the government and asked them to pay 50% from ESIC, taking into consideration that the employees are on sick leave. Now, I think All India Federation has also given that to the central government. Yes, now, if we are paying 50%, 80% already, then how will the government pay the 50%? Because they will naturally turn back and say, what's the use of paying? Because you have already paid 50%. So why should we pay? So we have requested and asked the government to pay 50% considering this as a sick leave. So I think it will defeat the purpose right now if we pay full amount. So we have to be careful on that.
Yeah, you're right. Mr. Dinesh Basra.
सैलरी के मामले में अभी 3 दिन पहले कानपुर में हम लोगों ने यूपी के लेबर कमिश्नर के साथ एक मीटिंग करी थी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत ये चल रही थी कि सैलरी अगर नहीं पेमेंट करने पर FIR लॉन्च करने का प्रावधान का ऐसा नोटिस इश्यू हो गया था DC के थ्रू। तो इस सिलसिले में जब हम लोगों ने उनसे मिले हैं तो पहली चीज तो उन्होंने ये एश्योर किया है कि उनकी परमिशन के बिना कोई भी FIR लॉन्च नहीं होगी, ऐसा उन्होंने राइटिंग में अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स को ऑर्डर इशू कर दिया है। और ये भी एश्योर उन्होंने किया है कि मैं किसी को भी सैलरी के मामले में FIR करने की परमिशन नहीं दूंगा। सेकेंडली, उन्होंने सैलरी के मामले में ये कहा है कि कम से कम आप अपने वर्कर्स को भरण पोषण तक का पैसा दीजिए, बाकी जैसा गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी वैसा किया जाएगा। और इसके अलावा दूसरे मैटर्स में भी हम लोगों ने उनसे बात की, तो उन्होंने एक चीज ये रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि दूसरे स्टेट में अदर गवर्नमेंट्स क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज अनाउंस कर रही है उसको अगर हम लोगों को आप टेबुलेट करके दें तो हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से आप लोगों की समस्याओं को उस पर रखते हुए उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कराने की कोशिश करेंगे।
And the similar thing which Mr. Dinesh is telling, I have a video with me which is said to be the Labour Commissioner Chief is in Hindi. If anybody finds the difficulty, we can explain it later. So it's a very interesting. Please.
भविष्य क्या होगा ये किसी को पता नहीं, इसलिए हर कोई अपने पास अगर फंड्स है तो वो रोकने का प्रयास कर रहा है। और ये एक बिल्कुल कॉमन ह्यूमन रिएक्शन है जो सब जगह दिख रही है। और मैं MSME विभाग के प्रमुख सचिव साहब ने जो आपसे लिस्ट ली है कि कहाँ कहाँ गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से पैसा बाकी है, ये बहुत अच्छा कदम है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि इस कदम को अगर हमने क्रियान्वित कर दिया शासन स्तर से तो कुछ ना कुछ तरलता, लिक्विडिटी, फंड सरप्लस आपके पास अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, जिसको आप रोटेट कर सकते हैं। उनको किन किन मदों में कर सकते हैं ये आप पर छोड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन टू मैनेज योर इंडस्ट्रीज। यू नो हाउ टू रन इट, you know which are the priority areas where you have to give the funds। तो गवर्नमेंट में जहां जहां आपके फंड्स स्टक हुए हैं वो फंड्स प्रायोरिटी में देने के लिए MSME विभाग भी प्रयास कर रहा है श्रम विभाग की तरफ से एज ए लेबर कमिश्नर मैं भी रिकमेंड करूंगा आज के वेबिनार के क्रम में कि वो फंड्स आपके जहां जहां स्टक हुए हैं वो जल्दी से जल्दी शासन हस्तक्षेप से हर विभाग को पैसे देकर इंडस्ट्री के जो पेमेंट्स है जो नियमानुसार देय है वो सब आपको पेमेंट करें, नंबर 1। तो इसका तो मैं आज रिकमेंडेशन कर दूंगा कि आपके जहां जहां गवर्नमेंट में फंड स्टक हुए डिपार्टमेंट से वो आपको मिल जाए, जिससे आपको लिक्विडिटी मिल जाए। अब आ जाइए कि में मोरल हैजर्ड क्रिएट हो गया, जिसमें इकोनॉमिक्स में टर्म है मोरल हैजर्ड। तो श्रमिकों को लगेगा भाई जाओ ना जाओ हमें पेमेंट मिलना ही मिलना है। तो उसके लिए भी मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको कि यदि इसमें हम प्राविधान देखेंगे और उसके बारे में मैं विचार करके अभी मैंने ऑलरेडी आपके में नितिन टंडन मेरे सामने यहाँ पर है, ऑलरेडी इनके साथ विचार विमर्श हुआ था और आलोक के साथ भी हुआ था कि अगर आपने श्रमिक को बुलाया और वो नहीं आया या किसी बहाने से आप फोन बंद करके बैठा, लेकिन आप ये इंश्योर कर लीजिए कि उसको सूचना पहुंच जाए कि हाँ तुमको बुलाया है, और अगर वो नहीं आता है देन यू आर नॉट लायबल फॉर पेमेंट। भाई आप ऐसा थोड़ी नहीं कि घर बंदा आपने बुलाया काम के लिए, आप उसके लिए बुला रहे हो, उसकी सेफ्टी की पूरे प्रिकॉशंस आप ले रहे हो, ठीक है, उसको कोविड-19 के हिसाब से आप उसको सैनिटाइजर दे रहे हो, आप उसको मास्क दे रहे हो, आप अपने यहाँ पर उसका सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंशन पूरा फॉलो कर रहे हो, और इतना करने के बाद भी बुलाने के बाद वो नहीं आ रहा है तो देन यू आर नॉट लायबल फॉर पेमेंट। इसका थोड़ा सा अध्ययन एक्ट के अनुसार क्या हो सकता है, एक आरपी गुप्ता जी हमारी पूरी टीम को मैं बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, ये जरा देख लीजिए। इसका प्रस्ताव हम शासन को भेजेंगे जरूर कि अगर बुलाया जाता है और श्रमिक नहीं आता है तो ये निश्चित रूप से उसको कोई पेमेंट के लिए लायबल नहीं है हमारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट। ये बिल्कुल क्लियर कट हमारी तरफ से लिखित पढ़त में गाइडलाइंस, और हमारे डिप्टी लेबर कमिश्नर्स, सभी एडिशनल लेबर कमिश्नर्स, श्रम विभाग के जितने फील्ड स्तरीय कर्मचारी अधिकारी हैं उनको बताया है कि पेमेंट ऑफ वेजेस को लेकर श्रमिकों को अगर इंडस्ट्री ने भुगतान नहीं किया है उसको लेकर कोई भी श्रम विभाग का अधिकारी कर्मचारी बिना मेरे पूर्वानुमोदन के विदाउट माय प्रायर अप्रूवल कोई एफआईआर किसी भी इंडस्ट्रीज के विरुद्ध नहीं करेगा, किसी भी उद्यमी के विरुद्ध एफआईआर करेगा नहीं। और इस आशय के लिखित में आदेश मैंने आज से 5 दिन पहले, कब जारी किया, ट्यूसडे को जारी किया ना, देखिए मतलब मुझे याद है 5 दिन पहले, ट्यूसडे होता है, 5 दिन पहले मैंने जारी किया है, लिखित पढ़त में आदेश जारी किया है कि किसी भी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के विरुद्ध, किसी भी उद्यमी के विरुद्ध श्रमिकों को वेजेस पेमेंट नहीं किए, भुगतान सैलरी का भुगतान नहीं किया, इसको लेकर हम एफआईआर बिना मेरी प्रायर परमिशन के, लिखित में परमिशन के नहीं करेंगे। और मैं आश्वस्त करना चाहूंगा आपको कि मैं किसी को परमिशन नहीं दूंगा, आप भी बता रहा हूं, मैं आपको किसी को परमिशन नहीं दूंगा।
मैं आपको एक क्लियर कर दूं कमल जी की ये मीटिंग, एक तो ये इंडिया के वो नहीं है कमिश्नर हैं, ये यूपी के लेबर कमिश्नर हैं मिस्टर बोबड़े, और दिनेश जी जो हमारे साथ में वेबिनार में इस समय उपलब्ध हैं, इनके साथ उन्होंने मीटिंग करी थी। और आलोक जी जिनका नाम वो ले रहे हैं वो IIA के हमारे प्रेसिडेंट, हमारे मित्र हैं, उन सब के साथ की मीटिंग का ये वीडियो है। मैंने इनके तीनों वीडियो अभी अपने ग्रुप में AIFMT के ग्रुप में डाल दिए हैं, और भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी, बट दिस इज फॉर द यूपी। अब दिनेश जी कुछ बात जो कर रहे थे उनको कंटिन्यू करवा दीजिए, वो अभी आपको और चीजें कह रहे हैं।
Mr. Ravi Joshi want to say something. Ravi ji, please.
Yeah. Kamal ji, now our topic is what association should do in this matter, right?
Sir,
now
actually,
when
yeah,
so मुझे ये कहना है सर जी कि भाई एसोसिएशन की मैंने जो कहा बिल्कुल साफ कहा कि एसोसिएशन में इसमें कुछ कहने का कोई रोल है ही नहीं, क्योंकि अगर एसोसिएशन ने कुछ कहा और कोई प्रिंटर ने माना नहीं और किसने माना, उसके बाद उनके पास अगर लेबर की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तो क्या वो एसोसिएशन उसको सपोर्ट करने वाली है? क्या 50% आपने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, कोई प्रिंटर वो समझो उनके नहीं, मेरी बात सुनो सर, एसोसिएशन ने कायदा कर दिया कि 50% आप दे दो सबको, कोई प्रिंटर की परिस्थिति नहीं है वो संभाल नहीं पाएगा। जहां प्रिंटरों ने दिया वहां वर्करों हैप्पी नहीं होंगे। अगर वर्करों ने बाद में स्ट्राइक कर दी तो एसोसिएशन क्या हेल्प करेगी उनको? ये नहीं हो सकता सर, ये बहुत पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है, ये पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम पर्सनल रिलेशन के ऊपर ही छुड़ाया जा सकता है। ऐसा आप रूल ब्लैंकेट रूल करके ये मत करो, ये ठीक नहीं होगा सर।
We agree, sir. Actually, we agree to your proposal. We are putting that proposal only that we should settle with your staff whatever the minimum.
Yes.
Or max year. Nitin bhai, please.
See, association can give suggestion but cannot make a guidelines that आप यही करो. That personally what Ravi bhai says is absolutely true. Personally आपको खुद का कैसा रेपो है आपके आदमी लोगों के साथ कितना क्लोजनेस है आपके आदमी के साथ, कितना, वो हिसाब से यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन, बट यू कैन नॉट मेक अ ब्लैंकेट रूल फॉर एवरीवन. That is very true.
100% you're right, sir. Sir, I think we came to the conclusion that whatever the minimum we should pay so that our worker may not go, all the association head must tell their members, it is member to member, how they can settle with their worker, they can settle. Now we have another point which has came to light about electricity bills. Some of the government some of the government has done it, as Nitin was rightly said, in their government, they are not charging, but in our government, even our press is stopped, they are charging the minimum charges. In Punjab, we have to pay, even if the factory is not running, whatever the minimum we have to pay. So we have with us Mr. Dinesh. Dinesh is he can throw light on these bills. Mr. Dinesh. Yes, sir.
यूपी में जो फिक्स चार्जेज है उसको सस्पेंड किया गया है, और सस्पेंड भी इस तरह से किया है कि मार्च में जैसे हम लोगों ने 21 दिन काम किया था तो दे विल चार्ज 75% इन मार्च बिल, 50% इन अप्रैल बिल, एंड द रेस्ट 1/3 of March bill they will add in the month of June bill, and the 50% in the next bill. So there is no discount in fixed charges in UP.
In UP, there is no, you are not to pay the minimum charges.
No, we have to pay minimum charges. That is what.
No, sir. Even see, my question is different. In Punjab, there is a curfew. Nobody can run the factory. Special factories are running, which are, those are different. We can't talk about those. I'm talking about the factory which is absolutely not running, but they have to pay the minimum charges.
Yes, UP also, sir. We have to pay. Even the factory is not running.
Nitin, you are telling something else on this. Nitin, why please? So that we can have his views and approach our government.
Okay, yesterday only we have received one notification from our Maharashtra Electrical Board that they are going to withdraw minimum charges and fixed commitment. See, now in our Navi Mumbai there is a 50% is a fixed commitment of the sanction load. That they are going to withdraw it, and they are also thinking to give some reduction on the unit rate. Same thing in our Silvassa also it has been done. We have received in the writing.
So what about in other states? Can anybody elaborate? Yeah, Bindal sir, Himachal.
सर हिमाचल के अंदर इन्होंने सिर्फ मार्च की बिल की पेमेंट करने के लिए 10 दिन का ग्रेस पीरियड दिया, या एक ऑप्शन और दिया है कि अगर आप मार्च और अप्रैल के बिल पे नहीं कर सकते तो विद इंटरेस्ट उसकी इंस्टॉलमेंट कर दी गई, पर लेकिन कोई भी फिक्स चार्जेस, मिनिमम डिमांड चार्जेस या कोई और भी चार्जेस डेफर नहीं किए.
Defer नहीं किए. Venkatesh Babu, yes sir. What is your state, sir?
In Karnataka, we have given a request to the electricity board, sir. Still no concrete answer has come, sir. As of now, we should pay the bill, full bill. Except no reduction has come. No announcement has they have made, sir. Everybody has requested, not only printers, all other associations.
Yes, we have, sir, today also in the webinar, we have many other industries. Mr. Ravinder Reddy, sir, he want to say something. Sir.
Sir, I am Ravinder Babu from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, yes, sir.
In Telangana, the Chief Minister himself clearly announced that fixed charges should not, they will not collect for the industry for 3 months. And they issued the orders regarding rentals also. The rental need not be paid for 3 months, and that should be paid later on in installments along with the regular rates. So in Telangana, they have given exemptions.
Telangana, what exemption is there, sir?
Electricity minimum charges, they are not going to collect for 3 months.
Oh, good. And what about the actual charges they will charge?
Yeah. Oh. After lockdown period also, whatever the actual charges they will charge, but not the fixed charges.
What is in other states? So Telangana has done a right thing. Biju sir, you want to say? Yes. Biju
even rentals also, they have given a moratorium for 3 months. Government has issued orders for even private landlords also not to demand for the rent for the period of 3 months.
Oh, good.
After 3 months, these three months rent they can pay in installments.
Biju sir?
Yeah, in Kerala, the government has given till May 20th the time to pay for March bill, and after that, April, May, they will they will be charging us fixed charges, but we'll have to pay in installments after June, month of June. So there will be fixed charges, but we will have to pay in installments. We have given a memorandum to the government to waive off this fixed charges, and we just wanted them to charge only at actuals. So that's what we have requested right now.
Alright, sir. Sir, we also did
कपिल जी, अगर तेलंगाना से वो ऑर्डर की कॉपी मिल सके जिसमें इन्होंने चार्जेस वेव ऑफ किए हैं,
Okay,
तो
sir, I
सब
will.
किड्स को बेनिफिट हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir, I will tell. Ravindra sir, actually, it is a request that since the electricity charge are waived in your area, can you send the order to the federation or to me so that I can, because there are many other associations, you can send it to me, so we can, but he is not a member of federation. So there are many who are not the member of federation. We have that, I told you, the industrial association also there. So it's a very good thing. We can quote that, and maybe some exemption we'll get in our states. If you can share that order for all, that will be better. So
Yes, that's possible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So any other state, if there's a benefit available on electricity, we can talk with any other states. So this subject is over. First and second subject for electricity. It's a good thing that what Telangana has done. Ashwini want to say something. Ashwini ji, please.
Sir, in Punjab also, the Punjab Electricity Board has waived the industrial on industrial connections, the minimum charges. But on printing press, we have a commercial connections. That's why we are not getting this benefit. I have the circular. I will circulate it to all of you. The waive of the minimum charges in Punjab during the whole of the lockdown period, the waiver of the minimum charges, and deferment of payment is also given in the Punjab also. I have the notification. I will give you a copy.
But any other suggestion on electricity point of view? So we should come to the next topic, which was a very interesting topic. Next one, survival. But I feel this is the major issue. All these issues are very small. Research says in India, the newspaper are closing. Newspaper, then commercial printing. Now with this happened that you should not touch the paper, visiting card, wedding card. So that's a problem. The printing is going to be reduced. So what my 80% printer will do, that is my concern, and I'm worried about those printers. That is the maximum thing. So we are getting indications that maybe some printing job which is now being done in China may divert to India. I may tell that at present 80% of outsourced printing work is being done by China. Tomorrow that job comes to India. Are we prepared for that? If we get some overseas order, how it is to be managed by a small printer? So I'm starting with Nitin Bhai. He's already exporting and doing the packaging also. Nitin Bhai, please.
Yeah. See, Kamal Bhai, I have my own little different thoughts on this. First of all, those printers who are into commercial printing. First, let me make one small clarity, which everybody can discuss with their manufacturers also. See, in a commercial, most of them are doing visual aids, calendars, brochures, where generally coatings are not there. Okay, directly 4-color printing, job over. If we use AR/SR free inks, non-AR/SR inks, it is going to help because those wire does not remain on the surface. This I have confirmed with Sigwork ink also. I think so rest of the printer should confirm with those inks, so there should not be a problem. Second thing, according to me, post-COVID, lot of business is going to come for a commercial printers also. How? Now this COVID has made everybody is suffering from the COVID. There are a lot of disaster, a lot of losses, but it has taught one thing to each and every person of the country: how to become disciplined, how to remain hygiene, and how to protect ourselves. So many companies, big companies, multinational companies, giants are going to come out with a lot of products for the common man, which they can use for their hygiene and we can say as a personal care products. Now in tier 1 city, tier 2 city, we are having a lot of mobiles. We can serve the mobile, we can get the information. But there are many places in India, tier 3, tier 4 city, where people are aware that because of the COVID, now we have to be disciplined. We have to think about the hygiene. But to reach till those people, definitely printing material will support, like awareness, visual aids, brochures, leaflets and all. So that industry is going to have a lot of business. As far as commercial packaging, pharma packaging, FMCG packaging, food packaging. Now, earlier we were using bulk packaging. Okay. Now, one of any of those who are in the pharma packaging, they will know that big box pharma company used to buy in which they are used to pack 10 strips, 50 strips, 100 strips. According to me, mono packaging will come. Individual strip packaging will come. Except India, everywhere in the world, if you see, the mono packaging concept is there. In India, bottles are naked. Worldwide, everywhere there are the boxes packaging for the bottles also. Now, when we discuss to the pharma company, they says we have to restrict our budgets. It is not like that. All the pharma companies are minting the money. It is there in the budget, but because the regulation is such, they have removed all these things and they are going to do the bulk packaging and all. But now the time has come, government is going to make some regulations. Because as far as me, paper is the least harmful than any other objects, any other material. So paper-based things are going to flourish. A lot of industry is going to get advantage of this. Now we will say about the exports. China say, many people say, or many countries say that now we are not going to work with China. We will shift all the industries to other countries. Practically, it is not possible. See, sympathy right now, everybody's emotional value. Everybody is saying that hum log China se nikal jayenge, ye, oh. But the infrastructure what China is having today, is other country have such infrastructure? No. Definitely, after a few months, 1 year, people may again start with the China, but definitely they will keep alternate vendor also. Today, we are all, our customers also suffering that hum ek hi aadmi se depend hai, ab humko maal nahi mil raha hai. So they will how keep the alternate vendor. China may have 80%, 70%, 60% business, but 40%, 30% business will be definitely shift to the other countries. And those countries who are really gear up, they will be benefited from this. So I think so after November, December, or in 2021 January, India has bright future. And I request you, please be positive and don't think that commercial is going to die. No, commercial is going to flourish more than what it is currently. Mark my words. And we will discuss this again in January if we get the chance. Thank you.
Thanks, Pinto. And why we are telling this, that we can suggest our members, since you are the leaders, you can tell your members. So what is your advice to the small printer, Nitin bhai?
See, I will request to all those small printers, try to unite. It is very bad time right now to invest in new capex. But those printers who are in the industrial estates or small zones where they are very close by, be a friend, work together. Let the customer remains to the other printer. You become supplier to that printer. Work uniquely, so there won't be a competition also, and you can use each other's resources and slowly grow in that manner. Because the big fishes, they have their own way of working, but the small fishes has to be unite. मेरे पास एक facility है, सामने के वाले पास facility नहीं है, उसके पास order है. I will cater from you. That way, we have to work together.
And we have with us actually he is representing all the small printers of Maharashtra. So I will request Bala Sahab, what do you think about the small printers? जो छोटे-छोटे printer जिनको आप represent करते हो, I visited many small places and seen very small printers. What do you suggest how they will flourish? उनके लिए क्या problem है या क्या आपके suggestion?
हमारे यहाँ जो printers है बहुत छोटे printers है. उसमें से 50% जो हमारे ये members है, उनमें से वन मैन शो और फैमिली शो होता है। ये घर के लोग ही अपना बहुत प्रिंटिंग जॉब कर रहे हैं और उनके पास केवल लेटर है, बिल बुक और छोटे छोटे बुक है, नोटबुक है, ऐसे काम करते हैं। हमने उनको उनके लिए सजेशंस दिया, जो हमने आपने जो बोला, तो पेमेंट के लिए यू म्यूचुअली अंडरस्टैंड करो और हो सके तो आफ्टर कोरोना यू कैन मैनेज दैट, उनके पास है कुछ ज्यादा काम करके लेना, जो हमको पेमेंट देना पड़ रहा है, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा उनके बातचीत करो और थोड़ा सा ओवर टाइम करो कि उसके वजह से हम अफोर्ड करेंगे। दूसरा लाइट के बिल में जो अपना इशू था, उसके बारे में हमने नितिन राउत हमारे मिनिस्टर है, उनको हमने खत लिखा है कि जो 3 मंथ्स अभी कुछ पेमेंट नहीं कर रहा है और उसके बाद जो एक्चुअल पेमेंट होगा वो हमारे जो मेंबर्स हैं या प्रिंटर है उनसे लेना। वो नितिन राउत के साथ हमारा थोड़ा सा बातचीत हुई है, अभी आगे बोला है, बाद में उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे और डिसाइड करेंगे।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। सर, व्हाट अबाउट योर सिटी?
सहारनपुर में तो यही छोटे छोटे प्रिंटर होने की वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। अभी तो सारा लॉकडाउन है, उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा है। मतलब जब खुलेगा उसके बाद देखेंगे क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है। मतलब जॉब्स
सेठिजा, आई विल टेल यू दैट नितिन जी ने बहुत अच्छी सजेशन दी है, ज्वाइन टुगेदर ऑल। The only solution relies in, because otherwise it will be a problem. Tomorrow you have to follow all the restrictions, जिस तरह restriction government ने किए, it will not go away. It will remain there. And if you get some job, अगर it is not possible for you to do it. So Nitin bhai given a very good suggestion. For small printer, it's better to unite. But sir, it is a question of survival now. If you will not join hand, survival is difficult. I tell you, I'm telling you very, very clearly. Nitin bhai rightly said. The only solution is unite yourself. Only then it is possible.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, any other person want to say on this subject? Now, two options are there. Either to work jointly or start printing something different. Printer has a automation. He can produce cheaper than you. Then the only solution is join together. Nitin bhai want to add in it? Nitin bhai, please.
See friends, I will tell you now, many consumer items or small producers are going to suffer very badly. Okay, but all cannot close down and sit at home. अभी जैसे कि एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, अभी फेस्टिवल सीजन शुरू होएगा, जैसे गणपति आएंगे, फिर राखी आएंगी, उसके बाद में दिवाली आएंगी, फिर क्रिसमस आएगा। तो ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें तो लोगों को बेचनी पड़ेगी। But people are scared how to buy, whether to buy or not, whether it is safe or not. So ये आदमी लोग अपने आप का प्रोडक्ट को कैसे सेफ बताएंगे? How they are going to say that their products are safe? Please use it. The only way is to promote their product. How they are going to promote? By sharing or by distributing some kind of study material. Now I will give a very small example. One sweet company who is producing different chocolates for the festivals. He want to make some pop-up card. Okay, now pop-up card to make, it's not everybody's cup of tea. You need a special die, you need a rotary die, and there are different type of laser cutting and all. Now I have a good marketing network and I get the order for say certain pop-up cards, but I don't have facility. So right now I am not going to invest in that facility. So I will definitely take the support of one of my fellow printer and I will get the order done from him and I will supply to my buyer. So this is the example what I am giving. So we all need to unite. We have to develop the trust in each other, develop the faith in each other, and we will not directly approach anybody's customer. Your customer is your customer, you become my customer. This approach, if we try to take, definitely we are going to survive. This is what my take.
Yeah, Nitin, you are right. And that's what we have shown you the video in the beginning. If you start working for others, everybody can be happy.
The EPGC scheme, sir, we should pursue, giving this lockdown, EPGC should be pursued to get time, sir, extension, at least extension we should get. For EPGC scheme.
Yeah. sir, we can approach the government. That's up to the government. Actually,
Yeah.
what happened now? We have sent so many representations to government, but no reply, even not an acknowledgement. So that is up to the government. Definitely we will do it. Definitely we will apply. Bala sir wants to say something. Bala sir, yes sir.
नहीं, for small printers, the cluster is helpful. और जो हमारे छोटे छोटे जब काम है वो क्लस्टर की वजह से हो सकते हैं, तो all small people, our printer will take the help of the cluster also.
Yes sir, sir. Cluster means join together. Just be together. Cluster is okay. Sharma ji wants to say something of this.
Yes.
Sharma ji.
Yeah, I think Nitin keeps on harping on the strategy, which is a combination of a strategy or a complementary to each other. But Nitin, my suggestion will be that as a big printer, I think you also have to take a self-initiative to give a confidence to the people that, look, we will be supporting to you, and if this is the facilities available, we will be buying from you. This kind of an atmosphere, if we can create among the small printer, I think they will be more comfortable, because this uncertainty which is coming on their head may not, should not kill them. That is what my concern. And as you rightly said, come January, even the commercial printer will get the enough business. Even the packaging so definitely is going to grow. I think the things will be, and what I feel, and I again want to repeat, that COVID-19 has given us a lot of learning process, which we will need to inculcate in ourselves, to see that and to ensure that we are more quality conscious, we are more particular about ourselves, our people, machine, environment, and then we look forward for a new way to work in the printing industry. And I think complementary to each other will be the way to go ahead. That's all I wanted to say. That's all.
Nitin want to say something.
Yeah, Sharmaji, what you say is very right. I have already started, and I am working with 15 to 16 closely with many printers. Up to the extent we are supplying the same job, okay? And my fellow printer is getting done from me. But still customer doesn't come to know that I am only producing for both the printers. So this is the way we have developed trust in each other. I am right now already started working with 15, 16 printers in Mumbai. Slowly it will grow. And I think this is the only way, because we only have to help ourselves. पहले खुद की मदद करो, फिर दूसरों की मदद करो, दूसरे से मदद एक्सपेक्ट करो. जहां तक हम अपनी खुद की मदद नहीं करेंगे, तब तक कोई हमें मदद नहीं करने वाला है. This is what.
Wonderful. Great words, sir. Great words.
Thank you, sir.
So we have many people with us. Anybody on this subject? So okay, we was on this subject regarding preparation. Nitin bhai has said the right thing. Maybe commercial people may not have to suffer, but the biggest suggestion is try to be together. Only then you can find the solution.
Earlier printer are doing same thing. After printer are doing same thing. In Delhi also. They are helping each other. They are doing.
In the meantime, Ravi want to say something. Yeah, Ravi.
आप कह रहे हैं कि स्मॉल प्रिंटर के बारे में उनकी परिस्थिति क्या हो जाए, बराबर है. देखो, स्मॉल प्रिंटर की अपने एक तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है मैन पावर. वो घर का मेंबर एक आदमी कंपनी चलाता है.
सर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे हम छोटे प्रिंटर, हम लोग तो डिपेंड है बिल बुक्स, लेटर हेड्स, रिसीट बुक्स, इनके ऊपर, वेडिंग कार्ड्स. अब ये तो सारा कुछ तो हो गया बंद, क्योंकि 1 साल 2 साल तक तो अब ये तक तो नहीं चलेगा. वेडिंग कार्ड्स तो वैसे ही बंद हो गए हैं.
कपिल जी, आप जो बता रहे हो, आपका एक सेट ऑफ बिजनेस है. जैसे कि आप बिल बुक्स बनाते हो, ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स बनाते हो, वेडिंग कार्ड्स बनाते हैं. आई फुल्ली अग्री विथ यू कि सर्टन बिजनेस में नॉट है, कुछ बिजनेस को अभी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी, बट आपके पास मशीनरी है. थोड़ा सा मेहनत करके आपको कहीं और यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें ग्रो करना है तो हमें मार्केट में हाथ पैर तो मारने पड़ेंगे. पानी में गिरे हैं तो हाथ पैर हिलाएंगे तो ही तैर सकेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं तैर सकेंगे. तो इसके लिए भी हमको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, लोगों से मिलना पड़ेगा, उनको क्या चाहिए उसके ऊपर थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा, और हमारी फैसिलिटीज, जो भी फैसिलिटी उसको यूटिलाइज करनी पड़ेगी. आज की तारीख में इससे ज्यादा बड़ा ऑप्शन कोई नहीं है। अगर हमें स्विच ओवर करना है तो थोड़ी मेहनत करके करनी पड़ेगी, बट हम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, 100% कर सकते हैं।
Tarun, can you say something in the meantime? Tarun Anedar from Noida. Tarun ji.
Yes sir.
Tarun, शेख बहुत बना ली क्या है?
नहीं सर, बाल काटे हुए से लग रहा है सर। सर हमारे कंसर्न्स वही हैं जो सारी इंडस्ट्री के हैं जॉइंटली, लेकिन हमने यहाँ लोकल लेवल पे अपनी एसोसिएशन से, डीएम के ऑफिस से चीफ मिनिस्टर को लेटर के अंदर में ये मेंशन करा है कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम आई है, ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज के लिए नहीं आई है, ये प्रॉब्लम एम्प्लॉयर्स के लिए भी उतनी ही बड़ी है जितनी एम्प्लॉयज के लिए है। इनफैक्ट एम्प्लॉयर्स के लिए शायद उससे थोड़ी बड़ी है, क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयर्स आर सपोज टू टेक केयर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज ऑल्सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग एल्स। तो हमने ये पॉइंट्स भी अपनी रिकमेंडेशन में मेंशन करे हैं उनको। और यहाँ हमारे नोएडा के अंदर में जो और एसोसिएशन है अदर देन प्रिंटिंग एसोसिएशन, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर एसोसिएशन या और बड़े लेवल की CII वगैरह है, उन्होंने भी अपने लेवल से यही मेंशन करा है उनको आगे कि फॉर द इंडस्ट्री, फॉर द MSME, it would be very difficult paying employees for the non-working period when we don't have any production, when we are not earning anything, when we are not getting any penny out of our customers. So kindly look into the matter, keeping all these things in mind. और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए भी यहाँ हमने परस्यू यही करा है कि the fixed charges should not be taken and the unit cost as per consumption should be taken for the period since it is locked down.
Tarun, there was a news in the newspaper about one of the factory running and there was some problem created by the police. What was that?
Sir, that was in Greater Noida, and the problem was that they were not following the norms as per the police.
Yeah.
जो SOP norms थे वो follow नहीं कर रहे थे वो, which are very much mandatory कि ये follow होने चाहिए. In fact, जब 28th और 22nd को ओपन होने का हो रहा था तो we had many recommendations, लेकिन हमने अपने फेलो मेंबर्स को यही डायरेक्ट करा था कि छोटे सेटअप्स के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होगा SOPs को फॉलो करना अभी राइट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट। खैर वो डेफर ही हो गया अभी आगे, अभी वो तो इट्स ऑन टिल 3rd of May in Noida.
Actually, let me explain all the views. There was a news in Noida, one of the factory there were police approached in Greater Noida and they stopped the working because there was a case, FIR was also against that company, and that's why this case went to the Home Ministry, and then Home Ministry has to issue the order that there will be no FIR in future. So there was FIR was launched in that factory. The thing is, the police came and they say you're not sticking to the norm. And Nitin was telling in one of the seminars that you have to stick. Nitin said very rightly that if you can't obey the norms, please don't run the factories. Nitin, this is what the words. So
that is not safe.
What happened in Noida? There was a factory. Police came and FIR was launched against that. So that was a case I was talking with Tarun. So
that was good. That was good because that led to the situation in government stating that there will be no FIRs again.
Yeah, Tarun bhai. Nitin bhai want to say something.
Yeah. See, regulations बहुत गवर्नमेंट ने बनाए हैं, बट उसका मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन बहुत हो रहा है, स्पेशली लोकल लेवल पे। जैसे कि पहले से भी कभी भी ऐसा नहीं था, अगर आपके सेटअप में प्रीमाइसिस में अगर कोई कोविड पॉजिटिव मिलता है तो गवर्नमेंट आपके अगेंस्ट ऐसा FIR करके जेल में डालेंगी, ये सब पहले से भी नहीं था। बट वहाँ के जो लोकल्स है, जैसे कि लोकल पुलिस वाले हैं या लोकल कॉरपोरेशन वाले हैं, वो लोग ने ऐसी हवाएं फैलाई कि लोग उसका ठीक से पालन करें या तो फिर ना करें। हालांकि सिचुएशन खराब नहीं हुए, वरना पहले से ऐसा कभी भी नहीं था कि आपके ऊपर, हाँ एक चीज हो सकता है, आपके अगर अंदर मिलता है कोई तो 14 दिन के लिए पूरी प्रीमाइसिस लॉकडाउन हो सकती है, कंप्लीट सैनिटाइजेशन होने के बाद। जब तक वो उनको आपके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता, यू कैन नॉट रीस्टार्ट द वर्क। ये उनका पहले से है, बट FIR होना, आपको अंदर डालना, ये सब चीज कभी भी नहीं थी। बट लोकल वाले अपने हिसाब से इंटरप्रेट करते लोगों को डराते थे।
Yes, sir. And Mr. Dinesh, you want to complete? Dinesh ji?
लोकल अथॉरिटीज की बात हो रही है। यूपी में जिस दिन लेबर कमिश्नर साहब के साथ में मीटिंग हुई थी, तो एडिशनल कमिश्नर लेबर ने ये बताया था कि अगर किसी जो यूनिट आवश्यक वस्तुओं वाली जो यूनिट चल रही है, उसमें अगर कोई कोविड पेशेंट मिल जाता है तो फैक्ट्री तो सीज करेंगे ही 14 दिन से 3 हफ्ते के लिए, साथ में वो पर्टिकुलर रोड या एरिया उसको भी वो रेड जोन घोषित करके सारी फैक्ट्रियां उसकी सील कर देंगे।
I got a question from Mr. Rakesh Sethi. He wants to know that they have the check, dated check. Can MSME help them to give the money? Sethi sir, it is not there, but when we were in the finance seminar, there was one scheme is there, that is bill purchase. And that is not the MSME scheme, is a bank scheme. Bank can purchase the bill. If your goods are ready and you want the payment, you can approach the bank, your banker. Banker can give you loan against that bill. That's called bill purchase. That facility is there.
एक बात तो बहुत अभी सुनी हो गई, has to do business as a business. He should not do his business for survival. Now what has happened because of this cutthroat competition, many small printers are doing like a daily basis job, and now because of this very peculiar situation, we are not in position. We don't have liquidity. Should understand that there is a lot of scope for they come up with good business policy, good earning should be there.
Okay, then I think Ashwini wanted to say, yeah, Nitin bhai.
See, this COVID-19, what entire world is suffering today, my only request, don't take this as a curse, take this as a disease. Learn discipline, how to take care from this and start working. Government lockdown आज किया, जून तक करेगा, जुलाई तक करेगा, अगस्त तक करेगा. It is going, the day again the lockdown will go away and people will start moving, people will start getting affected. So this is the right time to learn how to remain disciplined and take care of ourselves and just learn how to take the treatment from this. This is the only what I will try to say. This is will remain, this is going to come, it has changed the life of everyone. The same situation is going to remain at least for 12 to 14 months.
So thank you very much. Thanks for joining, and it's a wonderful discussion. We have came to many conclusions. I'm recording the things and we will send the recording also. Thank you very much. Ashwini, you want to say something?
Today's topic of discussion was the role of association.
Yes, yes, yes.
The role of association is only to bridge the gap and guide our members, guide our members, educate our members, and whatever the problems of our members, that we can address to the government. We are not going to get any benefit from the government. If any scheme comes, then it will be going to give benefit to the medium to large scale.
Sharma, you wanted to say something? Sir, it is now we are finishing. Yeah, Sharma.
Yeah. Kamal, I just wanted to say only one thing. We discussed a lot of things about the COVID-19 and all that. My dear friend, everybody, mark my word, start drinking warm water. Start drinking hot milk, tea, hot tea. Take a steam. And let me tell you, if you do religiously this particular thing, because this video is going viral on this, that if you drink warm water, even the coronavirus is enter, they will not remain there. So I think this is a tip. According to me, COVID-19 is also going to teach us the new way of leading the life. Enjoy with it and don't even get perturbed. Keep the high moral and make sure that you are going to be a successful leader in future to come. That's what I wanted. Thank you.
On behalf of Karnataka Offset Printers, thank you very much for organizing this webinar, sir. I hope we'll conduct one more meeting, sir. Whenever the time requires, we should have this type of meetings. Yes, sir. We'll do it, sir.
Yeah,
and
so,
we'll all share our ideas. Thank you.
So I've unmuted all. So thank you very much.
This is the role what OPA is playing. The role of association. This is what OPA is doing. That is the role of a moral.
So thank you very much.
You are the guiding force, sir.
Oh, bye, Kamal.
That's why government is promoting cluster schemes.
क्लस्टर का कोई फायदा नहीं, एक मिलके काम करोगे क्लस्टर अपने आप हो जाएगा.
You have proved yourself as a cluster. You have given your example. You are doing as a cluster. You are doing for a single customer. You are doing for 4 or 5 printers.
Yes. So thank you very much.
That is a faith. We have to develop.
Yes.
Only the faith faith from the heart, so that the ashrams are free to work for others, not for yourself.
अपने लोगों के हक मत मारो, सब जीत जाएंगे।
नितिन भाई एक ना दूसरे के लिए काम करो, जैसे मैंने पहला वीडियो दिखाया था ना,
सही बात,
अब दूसरे का आपके लिए कोई ना कोई कर रहा है। So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for hosting this.
Interesting था, it was very nice.
Thank you.
लगभग 50 हमारे representatives थे, and now 12 are there. So thank you, Nitin bhai.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bala sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.